updated broadcasts will be curtailed for the latest severe weather information.
Okay, we got a severe thunderstorm watch coming up.
The time is 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689. Here is your forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding communities. For rest of today, mostly cloudy and becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s humid, but only in the upper 70s near the lake. South winds up to 8 miles per hour.
Okay, here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number 124, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, Rickham, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Layton, Porter, LaPorte, Pulaski, and Starr, and the following from Liberty Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Windhurst Harbor to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will affect Central Porter and Central Lake counties until 9:30 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a strong thunderstorm.
Okay, well there you have it for a severe thunderstorm watch. I'll see you guys in the next one.